Seventh graders, how's it going? I'm enjoying my time up on top of the mountain. How's your time going in the classroom? I am making this video today to go over this packet for you. I know there's gonna be a lot of questions on that, and I don't want you guys to get all confused and everything. So the beginning parts of this packet are basically review. Homozygous, heterozygous, what does all that mean? The part that I first start to worry about you in is part 4, which is on page 4. Okay? And part 4 is talking about working backwards. In other words, they're going to give you the offspring and make you guess what the parents are. But they're not just going to give you the alleles for the offspring. They're going to give you the phenotypes. They're not going to give you the genotypes, okay? Just the phenotypes. And basically you have to figure out from that what the parents are. So let's start off with that first example there. It says that there are dominant pea plants, which are yellow, and there are recessive pea plants, which are green. It says that after doing some cross or something, you find out that the offspring have equal numbers of yellow to green. So the percentage would be 50-50. So the way you go about solving this problem is to make a Punnett square, fill it in with stuff that makes sense, and then work backwards to figure out what the parents are. Okay, so if we know that there are 50% yellow, 50% green, and green is the recessive trait. So in order for them to be green, they have to be lowercase y, lowercase y. So I'm going to go ahead and make a square and start to fill it in that way. So in this box down here, I know I can go lowercase y, lowercase y. And in this one, I could also go lowercase y, lowercase y. And the reason I know I can do that is because 50% of them have to be green. Well, those two symbols represent green. Now the remaining squares must be yellow. So in order for something to be yellow, it has to have a capital Y in it. Okay? It doesn't make any sense if I have all of these little y's. I know that this has to be a y because it goes through this way. But I also know because this has two y's in it, this must be a y. And I also know because this has two y's in it, this must be a y, a lowercase y. So filling in what I know, the only possible answer left for what the other parent, what their genotype is for this to be an uppercase Y. Reason being, these have to be yellow. So there you have it. I have one parent that is uppercase Y, lowercase y, heterozygous, and I have one that is homozygous, recessive.